So tonight I'm heading to Detroit and I have a lot of things to do. I'm going to this festival called Movement, and naturally I'm going to ignore all my responsibilities and dye my hair pink. If you're new here, I am too. My name is Jen, and please subscribe. Honestly, I am pretty content with my hair color right now. It's like this blondie color here, and yeah, I kind of paid a lot for it to get done, but that was like 6 months ago, so you know, let's try something new. I dyed my hair pink at Splendor last year. They just had like this pop-up thing where they would dye your hair, and I kind of really liked it. Since then, I've been fantasizing, actually no, for actually a long time I've been fantasizing about having pink hair. I used to work at Urban Outfitters a few years ago, and we had this stuff, and this is the color that I just like kept wanting to get, but I just never got it. So finally I got it. I went to Dollar Skill yesterday. Who knew they actually had a real store? And I was gonna get Manic Panic actually, but I got kind of, you know, talked out of it by the staff there, so I got 2 of these because my hair is pretty thick. Honestly, I don't really know how this is gonna go. I'm probably gonna fuck up my hair, but you know, it could look cool for this festival I'm going to. And if it doesn't, I'll just go to the hairdressers when I get back to Australia. Here are the instructions. You need gloves, a brush, clips, bowl. I went out and bought gloves. Turns out they only like sell them in a 40 pack, and I only need like 1 pair. I'm gonna wear it inside out so that it definitely doesn't get anything on it. Yeah, well, it's like a dress. Start with clean, unconditioned, dry hair. Well, I'm just gonna put it on my hair. It's been a few days since I washed it. I'm kind of concerned because it says that it's gonna be this color, which is what I want. But then you open the freaking packet and it's kind of red. The color's called Shook, so hopefully I'm not shook when I see what it looks like. This is where you're gonna realize that my hair goes super poofy when I brush it. So like, just before I left for America, I actually cut Lauren's hair. So if you want to see a video of me cutting Lauren's hair, I basically just did a blonde cut all around the bottom. Was it a fail? Who knows? If you want to see that, give this video a big freaking like. Oh my god, my hair's actually looking nice. Have you noticed that if you ever want to get a haircut or dye your hair or something, a few days before, it's like perfect. It's like your hair's like being like, nah mate, don't do it. I promise it'll look good. I'm at this state where I don't really know what kind of videos to make, because I kind of really love fashion-y videos, and I've always watched them on YouTube. Like, that's what I always watch over anything else, is like fashion things. But yeah, I feel like I haven't really been, I'm not really a fashion-y person. Maybe I could get into it. People seem to be loving the videos that I have, but yeah, I'm at that stage of what do I make? It seems like all the videos I make about like shoes or anything get a lot of views. Just got 10,000. And all my travel ones don't really get much, but they're super fun to make, so I don't know, I'm at a crossroads. What would you guys like to see? Ooh. I think the directions, I should probably read them. I'm gonna just slap it on. Okay. I can't, I have no fingernails. Fuck, I can't. Do I need a knife? I got a knife. The color actually looks real nice on the knife. Pro tip, you have to do a knife test. Smells really nice. I do like it. There's totally gonna be some bit of my hair that is missed. I'm just gonna go around my hair and do it like this. I know it said section, but let's just glob. It's like I try so hard not to do things at the last minute, but then it ends up happening. Like, I didn't even plan to get this hair dye yesterday. I just went into Dollar Skill and I saw it there. I was like, why the fuck not? Oh, this is the hard part. the back. Before, after. Oh, it's on my face. Oh my god, I see a whole bit that's missing. This will be my first time going to Detroit. Never been there before. So my friend Nick goes there every year for this music festival, and I thought, hey, why not? That sounds pretty fun. So my hair's kind of really thick, so I might just do an extra section. Isn't that cute? I'm like color coordinated with this towel and this scrunchie. I've used like, I would say like a third.
So I'll be opening up my hair salon in the end of the year, so I'll be taking bookings. If you want to comment what you want, and I will choose a winner in the comments, and I'll come color your hair with this great technique.
Ugh. Oh god. Alright, I am all done. I covered hopefully all my hair, and I've still got like a little bit left. So if you have hair this length and it's kind of thick, you should be right with one tub, which is awesome because I think I do like this color, and I got a whole nother tub left. Whoop. Now I'm going to go edit for like 2 hours and wash this off. It did actually take me like an hour to put on, so I'm like kind of confused as to when you start the timer for 2 hours, so maybe I'll do an hour 45. Alrighty, so it's been almost 2 hours. I did a tiny bit less because I thought it had already been sitting on the bottom part for so long. Yeah, it's looking like a pretty cool pink color. Hopefully it turns out like that when I wash it out. There's some bits that kind of look a bit blonde, but you know, we'll see. I will show you once I've got naked and washed it off. Sorry if I'm so fresh-faced right now, but the shower is complete. And I think it's looking pretty cool. It doesn't look as crazy on camera, but I think it's gonna look great. So it seems like it's stuck really well to all the blonde bits, and then it hasn't like gone too far into these bits, which is kind of what I wanted. I think I love it so far, but who knows? The trick is always like, what is it gonna look like when it's dry? Actually, you know what? That's gonna take ages and I'm gonna hate it because it's gonna go frizzy, and I like it just air drying and being kind of wavy, so I'm just gonna let it do that, and I guess I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow, maybe when I'm going to the festival, because it should be dry by tomorrow. So I'll see you in the next clip. So I'm in Detroit and this is what my hair looks like dry. It looks pretty awesome. It's a perfect color actually, and also this bathroom matches my hair. So yeah, I would highly recommend using that stuff. What's it called? Limecrime. I still have like a whole tub left from doing all my hair, so if you got hair this length, you could totally just use one tub. It didn't really show up in the top, which is kind of good. I just wanted it to blend throughout all the blonde bits. So I have been Jen, and if you like this video, please subscribe, and until next time, keep wondering. Yeah, I like pink hair.